Hello everybody and welcome back to Quick Tips. Today I want to talk a little bit about adding AI here in InDesign. Now InDesign is a tool that kind of lagged behind for a minute with AI, but now we can use it right inside. It's super easy to do. The first thing we're going to do is just go to our shape tool and make a rectangle. Once we make that rectangle, we can go up here to Window, Text to Image, and then type in what we want. I've already typed in happy college student, and if I hit generate, it will generate a happy college student. If I select the image, it will add it to my piece, and I can always change between these or pieces that I'd previously generated. With this, I've defined the content type as art. I can also switch this to photo and select generate. Here we can see photos of students that we can use in our piece. Additionally, we can change the aspect ratio. If you wanted a square image, for example, we could select square, hit generate, and it generates square images that we can use. Now this square image is sized to fit inside of our box, but if we go to our selection tool and double click on the image, we can see that the bounding box resides outside of our image and we can move it to fit into the space. Well, that's it for this time. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.